Now, as we have completed our 4 applications and tools of how to use and the background of the tools, now at the end you have a task over here. What you have to do? You have to prepare an activity based teaching plan using any one from the given list what we have seen today, and whatever you will do, you have to take the pictures or screenshot and stick the pictures of what you have used according to the topic. Example, you are using a word cloud of Mentimeter, then take answers from your friends and stick the pictures accordingly. Only 1 or 2 responses would not be enough, at least 10 to 15 responses for Mentimeter. Speech notes, even you can record it and upload it, and the photo we need it in your book. And for GeoGebra also same thing, photograph and screenshot. Screenshot you can upload it, photograph, paste it in the book. Prezi, you can make a presentation of 2 or 3 slides, it's okay. You can upload it, and the photograph of the way you zoom in and zoom out, or while making you can take a photograph and upload it. I hope this videos will be useful and informative for you all. Thank you for listening and have a great time.